और जिन्होंने हमारी बेटियों के सिंदूर उजाड़े थे, वही कटे पिटे लोगों को हमने उन्हीं की बहन भेज करके उनकी ऐसी की तैसी करवाई।
The Supreme Court today strongly reprimanded Madhya Pradesh Tribal Welfare Minister Vijay Shah for irresponsible, insensitive remarks against Army's Colonel Sophia Qureshi. Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai pulled up Shah, stating that individuals holding constitutional positions must show restraint, especially during sensitive national operations like Operation Sindoor. Refusing to grant Shah interim protection, the apex court told him clearly, "Go and apologize in the High Court. Nothing will happen to you in a day. You know who you are." Shah had moved the apex court against Madhya Pradesh High Court's suo motu direction for registration of FIR against him. So what's the controversy about? The controversy stems from a speech Shah made in Indore on 12th of May, just days after a terror attack in Pahalgam that killed 26 people. Without naming her, he implied that Colonel Qureshi was sent as part of a revenge mission, calling her a terrorist sister from their community. His words, captured on video, suggested that the Prime Minister had sent their sister to strip and destroy them in their own homes.
इसलिए उनके समाज की बहन को भेजा कि तुमने हमारी बहनों को अगर विधवा किया है तो तुम्हारे समाज की बहन आके तुम्हें।
This triggered outrage for being communal, sexist, and for attacking the secular ethos of the Indian Armed Forces. The MP High Court ordered an FIR against Shah under the new Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, including charges of promoting enmity, insulting a woman, and endangering national unity. And it warned that patriotism cannot be judged by religion. This also triggered a barrage of political reactions. The Congress demanded Shah's dismissal. Senior BJP leader Uma Bharti also broke ranks, saying he should be sacked and prosecuted. Even within the BJP, some admit that the party's image took a hit during the sensitive military operation. Now, under pressure, Shah has apologized multiple times. He claimed his words were misinterpreted and called Colonel Qureshi more respected than our own sister.
मैं खुद शर्मिंदा हूँ और पूरे समाज से और समुदाय से माफी मांगता हूँ। बहन सोफिया के और सारे मिलिट्री वालों का मैं हमेशा सम्मान करता हूँ और आज हाथ जोड़ के सबसे मैं अपने आप को माफी चाहता हूँ।
But the courts aren't buying it. With the Supreme Court refusing to shield the minister and the High Court pressing for criminal proceedings, this case could well set a precedent for how hate speech, especially from those in power, is dealt with in future. Stay tuned for more updates on this.